Okay, Laurel, I'm going to make a backup video to the one that I just did on PowerPoint. I'm going to do this one with place value counters. So I'm going to do some of the same questions that we just did, but I'm going to look at them in a different way. So we had 56, half of 56, 56 divided by 2. These are worth 100, these are worth 10, these are worth 1. We've used these at school. They're normally tiddlywinks, little plastic counters. All I've done is bought a big hole punch, circle cutter, and just punched loads of circles out of paper. If I'd had cardboard, it would have been even better, but I don't have any coloured cardboard. Well, I did for the reds, but not for the others. So 56 is 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, and then 6 is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, 56. And then we're going to halve 56. I make my two halves down here. I'm going to halve that 10, halve that. But I've still got this bit spare. Well, this is a 10. A 10 is worth 10 ones. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. So that spare 10, I've swapped it for 10 ones. I've now got 16 ones. Well, I can share you, and you, and you, and you, and you, and you. Running out of room here. And you, and you. So what did they all get? Well, each half got 2 10s and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 8 ones. 28. 56 divided by 2 is 28. And the next question we did was 456. Well, that's no harder. Let's keep 6 of these out. And then let's keep 5 of these out. But we also need 400s. 1, 2, 3, 4. 451. 400s, 5 10s, 6 ones. Well, let's half it. Half hundreds, 2 for you, 2 for you. Half the 10s, 2 for you, 2 for you. I've got 10 spare. I will exchange that 10 for 2, 4, 6, 8, 10 ones. I will now share those 10 ones out between my two groups. 2 for you, 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 2 for you. What's in each half? There's 2 hundreds, 2 10s, and 8 ones. 228. The next question we looked at was 526. Is that right? So it was 526. 500s, 2 10s, 6 ones. And let's half that. Let's share that into two groups. Okay, 100 each, 100 each. I've got 100 I can't do anything with. Well, the thing about these hundreds is, just like I could exchange a 10 for 10 ones, I can exchange a 100 for 10 10s. 2, 4, 6, 8, Okay, I've now got 12 tens. Well, you can have 2, and 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 you can have 2. And now let's half the ones. Well, half there, and half there. So, in half, each half of 526, when we shared it between 2 and we halved it, was 200, 6 tens, 3 ones. 200, 6 tens, 3 ones. 263. I'm not going to go through all the rest of them, but hopefully that you can see this is no different to using the Deans. The difference is we don't physically break these, we swap them for 10 of the next thing down. If you've got one of these, or can get hold of one of these, or you can cut little, you can cut little coloured squares. Squares will do. You can cut little coloured squares out of cardboard, or use a pair of scissors and cut little circles. It will take ages. Squares will be quicker. Or you could use, if you've got enough of them, that to represent 10, that to represent 1, and that to represent 100. As long as you can find or make something where you've got lots of little yellows, lots of little reds, and lots of little greens. To do this, the maximum you're going to need is 19 of each. Let's say 20 of each to be on the safe side. In fact, of these you only need 10, but you might need 20 of these or these, 19. Okay, so another way of looking at exactly the same problems as we did in our last video.